I attend the University of Wisconsin-Stevens Point, and my majors are chemical engineering, paper science and engineering, and Spanish, and I just finished my freshman year. I wanted to work for ChemDesign because of the principles that they stand for and the goals of the company. Seemed like a really good opportunity for me. I've also gained the ability to work with other people in a lot of different roles and just go out there and meet people and talk to people.
Noah Pearson, Health and Environmental Safety Intern. I go to Lake Superior State University in Sault Ste. Marie. I'm going for mechanical engineering and I'm entering my 4th year. What made me want to work for ChemDesign was I wanted to work for a company that is continuously improving their products and their services, not one that just sits by and lets good enough be good enough.
My name is Hailea Weiss and I'm a chemical engineering intern at ChemDesign. I wanted to work for ChemDesign because they're a toll manufacturing company, and that means everything is changing all the time, which makes it a great learning opportunity for me because I'll be exposed to lots of different types of processes. I've gained a lot from working an internship here because in the classroom I get to learn a lot about the theories behind all the processes, but here I get to go out and actually see what's going on. My favorite part about working for ChemDesign is that I've been able to make an actual contribution to the company and work on real projects. I could see myself working for ChemDesign after I graduate because it's interesting work, everything's always changing.